boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar Arizona Zervas. I believe we have Zervas here before on this channel, not that long ago. This time we have a song called Ever Again. So you can choose to play this melody or the strumming, and you can go back and forth and play with it. So that's great. Let's start with capo on the 2nd fret. And we will look at the chords first, 6 different chords. So let's start with C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord will be A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Next is E minor, so open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Then comes F, so we have a bar here on the 1st fret, all strings, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. These first chords, 4 chords, will go round and round pretty much 95% of the song, but we also have a bridge part later, and for that one we need 2 new chords, and that is D minor. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. And the final chord will be G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, so the D minor and G in the end here, only used here for the bridge parts. So let's look at this melody first, based upon, of course, the C, A minor, E minor, and F. So let's look at the C part first. We will not go from this grip when you play the strumming, the standard C. We'll go from this grip, kind of based upon the bar chord C, alright? Sounds like this. Sorry. Alright, so that will be 3rd on A, then 5th on G, then comes this part, and that is 3rd on E, 5th on E, 3rd on E, and 5th on B. And that's it for C. When it comes to this part here, I use the hammer on and pull off technique. So I will hit the 1st note of this part here, the 3rd fret E string. And I'm using bar here on the 3rd fret, so that is how I get that one. I will pick this first one, I will hammer on the 5th fret E string, and I will also pull off to go back to the 3rd fret E string. So I only pick one time out of these 3 notes. Alright, so pick, hammer on, pull off. I use my little pinky for that. Alright, and then you just go back to 5th B. So that is the C part. Then we're gonna play the A minor part. Sounds like this. So that is open A, 2nd G, open E, and back to 2nd G. Then we have the E minor part. Sounds like this. So that is open E, then 2nd D, and then comes this part. And I use the same technique here when it comes to this as I used for the C chord. So I will pick the open B, then I hammer on the 3rd fret B string, and I pull off to get the open B back. So open B, 3rd B, open B, and we finish off with open G. So this E minor part was open E in the bass, 2nd D, open B, 3rd B, open B, open G. And then we have the final part left, the F bass melody. Sounds like this. That is first on this E string, first fret, then third fret D string, first fret B string, and third fret D string. And for this, I use a bar here for this grip. Feels much easier than stretch it like that. So I just put a bar and my ring finger on third fret D. All right, so some technique stuff there, but that is actually the melody. I'm gonna play through for you a little bit slower so you really can listen and see how it's done. So let's go. So that one is going on in the song. You can also choose to go over to the strumming, all right? So for that, you will of course use the same chords, the C, the A minor to E minor to F, all right? So since C is the first chord, grab that one. We'll look at a strumming pattern. It's very easy. It's down, up, clap, up. So down, up, clap, up. That is one round. So down, up, clap, up. So a couple of rounds of that will be. And so on. You will play 2 strumming rounds per chord, so 2 C, 2 A minor, 2 E minor, 2 F, and that will sound like this. And so on. Not that fast, but I think you get the idea there. That is the strumming. Now, 1 minute and about 44 seconds into the song comes a bridge part. And the lyrics, I know that it isn't love, all right? That's the bridge part. For this one, you will play only 1 down for the following 4 chords. And it will be D minor, E minor, F, and beautiful G. So it's only 1 round of that, and that is the reason for the D minor and G for this song. Otherwise, it will go back to this melody or the strumming, and that is pretty much how Arizona Zervas Ever Again ends. So yeah, pretty much 4 chords, strumming or melody, and that's it. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Hope to see you soon, and play tuned.